Welcome back to the Coding Problem series. Today, we are tackling a famous hard-level interview question, finding the median of two sorted arrays. We will explore the optimal approach using binary search on merged arrays. Let's define the problem. We are given two sorted arrays, nums1 and nums2. With sizes m and n, our goal is to find the median of these two arrays combined. The catch is that the overall runtime complexity must be logarithmic, specifically O of log of m plus. And this strict constraint means we cannot simply merge the arrays and sort them. A common first thought is the naive approach. This involves creating a new array of size m plus n, iterating through both input arrays, and merging them into this new array in sorted order. Once merged, we can easily pick the middle element. However, this method has a time and space complexity of O of m plus n, which is too slow given our constraints. To solve this efficiently, we need to understand what the median actually represents. The median essentially divides a set of numbers into two equal-length subsets. For two sorted arrays, if we can find a partition that splits the combined elements into a left half and a right half such that every element in the left is less than or equal to every element in the right, we have found our answer. Here is the strategy. We partition array x and array y. Let's say we cut array x at index partition x, and array y at index partition y. The left partition consists of elements from the start up to the cut. We need to select these cut points such that the total number of elements in the left partition is equal to half the total number of elements plus 1. Once we have our cut points, we need to validate them. Since the individual arrays are already sorted, we only need to cross-check the boundaries. Specifically, the maximum element on the left side of x must be less than or equal to the minimum element on the right side of y. Similarly, the maximum element on the left side of y must be less than or equal to the minimum element on the right side of x. We can find this correct partition using binary search. We only need to apply binary search on the smaller array to minimize the search space. If the maximum element on the left of x is greater than the minimum on the right of y, we have moved too far right, so we move our search range to the left. Conversely, if the maximum on the left of y is too large, we move our search range to the right. We must also handle edge cases where the partition falls at the very beginning or end of an array. If there are no elements on the left side, we treat the maximum left value as negative infinity. If there are no elements on the right side, we treat the minimum right value as positive infinity. This simplifies our comparison logic. Finally, once the correct partition is found, we calculate the median. If the combined total length is even, the median is the average of the largest value on the left and the smallest value on the right. If the total length is odd, the median is simply the largest value on the left side. In summary, this approach allows us to find the median without merging the arrays. The time complexity is O of log of the minimum of m and n because we binary search the smaller array. The space complexity is constant O of 1. This makes it an extremely efficient solution for large datasets.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.